CAMSYS MagicQ Tutorial 1 Windows and Buttons. First of all, open the MagicQ application by going to Windows Start, selecting on All Programs, selecting CAMSYS MagicQ and selecting CAMSYS MagicQ PC. On a Mac, you just go to your applications and select MagicQ. MagicQ shows you a list of startup options. Select Lighting Demo. MagicQ is now opened and you have the full MagicQ screen here. In the center you have the window that you would see on a MagicQ console, and then around it you have the encoder wheels, the faders and the buttons that you would find on a full MagicQ console. The MagicQ PC and Mac versions also has shortcuts up the top which allow you to do operations quickly with the mouse. On the right hand side here you find the main Windows buttons. By pressing a Windows button it will open that window. For example, pressing Prog opens the Prog window. Pressing Setup opens the Setup window. Pressing Patch opens the Patch window. You can close a window by pressing the Close button, and this will close each window in turn. You have three layout buttons here. Each of these you can define a layout. By default, layout 1 gives you groups, positions, colours and beams. You can record your own layouts onto the layout 1, 2 and 3, or by pressing Shift, layout 4, layout 5 and layout 6. These 6 buttons here are the group attribute buttons. That's group, intensity, effects, position, colour and beam. When you open a window, for example the group window, then all of the soft buttons around the edge of the screen, that's on the right, on the left, and also the menu buttons at the top, are controlled by that window. You can change the size of the window from the View menu. For example, this is Max, Top, or Bottom. Here you have action keys. These are the keys that are used to change the show data, such as Record for recording items, Set for setting or naming items, Remove for removing them, Move for moving them, and Copy for copying them. Above this you have head control buttons. These are for selecting different heads and going through them and highlighting them. Finally, you can quit the program by going to Setup, make sure you're on View Settings, and then press the Quit button. For further info, please visit www.camsys.co.uk.